Want to change colors and materials of objects in Unity using a button click? In this video, we'll build a scene and control everything dynamically using C#. Welcome to my channel, Code to Intelligence. Let's get started. First, go to Game Object, then 3D Object, and create a plane. Similarly, create a sphere and a cube. Go to Game Object, then 3D Object, and create a cube. Go to Game Object, then 3D Object, and create a sphere. Now adjust the position of each object by clicking and dragging them so that all objects are clearly visible in the scene. Next, go to the project window, right-click, select Create, and then Material. Create separate materials for each object and rename them as Cube 1, Cube 2, Sphere 1, Sphere 2, Plane 1, and Plane 2. Select each material one by one. In the Inspector window, change the albedo color. You can also add textures by dragging an image into the albedo section. Assign different colors and textures for each material. Now drag and drop the materials onto the respective objects in the scene. You can see that each object now has a different appearance. Now let's create buttons to control the changes. Go to Game Object, then UI, and select Button. Create multiple buttons and rename them as Cube Color, Sphere Color, Plane Color, Cube Material, Sphere Material, and Plane Material. Next, go to the project window, right-click, select Create, and then C# Script. Rename the script as Changer and open it in Visual Studio. In this script, create references for cube, sphere, and plane, and also for different materials. Define separate functions to change color and material for each object. These functions will be called when buttons are clicked. Now go back to Unity, create an empty game object, and rename it as Manager. Attach the Changer script to this Manager object. In the Inspector window, assign all objects and materials to the script fields by dragging them into their respective slots. Now select each button. In the Inspector, go to the On-Click section and click the plus icon. Drag the Manager object into it and select the appropriate function. For example, for the Cube Color button, select Changer and then Cube Color function. Repeat this process for all buttons. Now click the play button. This project output will look like this. When you click each button, you can see the color and material of the objects changing dynamically. In this video, we created a Unity scene, applied materials and textures, and controlled them using C# and UI buttons. In the next video, we will explore more advanced interactions. Subscribe to Code to Intelligence and continue your journey from code to intelligence.